Hello and welcome to my presentation, How to Protect Your Data. I am from Accenture, and firstly I want to tell you something about myself. In my case, I'm a DevOps consultant with a banking customer, so I want to tell you how to run your data in a secure way and why we have to do that with critical data in applications. When we are coming to the topics, how to use namespaces, then we are coming to the topic network policies, Kubernetes secrets, and at the end I will tell you something about security validation. About myself, I am Julia Kriesch. I'm 35 years old and I'm working as a DevOps consultant at Accenture. My main specialization is Kubernetes and containerization in general. I have got customers with critical data in the banking and public sector, and additionally to that, I'm also an open source contributor for Linux. Critical data and applications. Modern applications are split into microservices for Kubernetes today in a modern way, and not every application should be accessible from everywhere. But I mean with that, that you should not have access from outside to the databases or anything else. Only applications should have access to another application there. Additionally, critical data should be encrypted, and only required communications between applications should be possible then. From that, we are coming to the topic namespaces. You should split your applications inside of Kubernetes into multiple areas. In this case, I have created the namespace app connection as an example, and the namespace single app. Both namespaces cannot communicate together, but you can see I have added two pods, pod 1 and pod 2 on the left side. One app can speak with his own database, and one app can speak to the other app. In this case, the app in the namespace single app cannot communicate with the apps in the namespace app connection then. But then I have added something additionally. We are calling that you can do that with network policies. I have added the Prometheus monitoring system with Grafana as an example, and you want to create a communication between the namespace monitoring and the namespace app connection to monitor your one app of pod 2 in the namespace app connection. So you can open some ports that Prometheus can communicate with the app, and that is also called whitelisting of traffic. Here is an example configuration. On the left side, you are protecting the whole Kubernetes cluster, that only special policies are allowed to communicate. So you are protecting all ports. Nothing is allowed to communicate as in general firstly. But on the right side, you are giving the monitoring system access to the namespace app connection. That will be done with referencing the app and that you are using the component banking 1, and via ingress you are giving access via port 9080 access from the monitoring system for the app Prometheus then. From that, we are coming to the topic Kubernetes secrets. You can encrypt your passwords and data with that. That is really important. And in my case, I like really the tool customize for that. So you can create firstly password.txt file, reference it in the customization YAML. Customize has got an integrated secret generator to create Kubernetes secrets. You have to apply it with the option -k with Kubernetes apply, and then you can receive with kubectl get secret, example secret, the data on the right side, and you can see that password.txt is encrypted. The last thing is the validation of security with YAML files. You can do that with the software as a service version, that you can use curl on your KS deployment YAML in this case as an example. You can use it with Docker as a Docker image, as a kubectl plugin, or binaries. On this way, you can validate that your YAML files are secure. Here you can receive my references. I like really the book Hacking Kubernetes. Then I have listed the links for the configuration of Kubernetes secrets and how to use customization. Thank you that you have been here. You can write me any emails if you are interested, or if you have got any questions. Thank you.